Hmm. Is Auchi Poly at work, busy trying to bring out modalities to fight the scourge of coronavirus. Okay, this one being processed. It's going to have hand sanitizers, water, and soap for washing of the hand. You don't even need to touch it. It has a lever at the bottom where you can use your leg to operate both water and soap. Amo? Indeed, Auchi is at the forefront when it comes to innovation, creativity, what have you. These are completed, projects courtesy of Auchi Polytechnic. They are designed. Alright. Now that's the water. Okay.
No comfort again. Oh yeah, I come.
Alright. You don't even need to touch any of the items. As soon as you press the lever for water and soap gets into your hand, you can press the lever for.
I don't watch
This is creativity at its best. You indeed agree with me that Auchi Poly comes first and the rest follow. This is one of its kind. This is one of its kind. This is one of its kind. It's designed and produced, constructed by Auchi Polytechnic in a bid to fight or create more precautionary measures for stemming the tide of COVID-19.
Yes.